Well, seniors, Kumasi Asante Kotoko has been slapped with a charge by Ghana Football Association. Now, this follows after Kotoko game against Nations FC Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Yes, Sunday 6 p.m. game. Kotoko lose by a goal to 0. No. GFA no charge Ghana, a charge Kumasi Asante Kotoko on a misconduct behavior by some Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans. Mamentwe nyina ya dwen kwa chiri kakra. First leg of this particular fixture no so ewo Mabram Kese Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. So na kai say during particular game no, after that game Kotoko supporters through some nkonyane de kabai ema eka no at the end of the day Dr. Kwame Chase ejeka no etwiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Then again second leg unfortunately no answer Kotoko referees no first half some supporters antwea mo kra nko dressing room the fans nsem bebre bae na side way de bia busa say da ben na beba wieye football na ye follow no yes yet football asiasa anwoma bi say enya afi na wo ko kire wa ho den atwam it is error atwam tete kra na yenye sa to ho Ghana Football Association updates on the regulatory actions and that screen also no. Or say Asante Kotoko have been charged with a breach of section 16 of the Ghana Football Association Disciplinary Code 2019 section 34-36 of the GFA Premier League Regulation 2019 following the Ghana Premier League fixture against Nations FC. It is alleged that their supporters behave inappropriately towards the match officials of the said game. It is also alleged that the club's social media commentary on the match officials of the said game constitute a misconduct that brings the name of the game into disrepute. Kotoko have Wednesday, March 27 to respond. And only the Kotoko social media commentator ne ka asembi oposti ade bia no nso wa me de be kire osisi but Kotoko condemn on also the statement about Asante Kotoko condemns the distasteful conduct of some of the persons who actions in yesterday Premier League match 23 against Nations FC at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium went contrary to what this prestigious club stands for. It must be noted that under no circumstance will Asante Kotoko condone any act of violence and undermines the sporting integrity of the game. The club will like to assure the stakeholders that it has taken appropriate steps in working hand in hand to the GFA in finding a lasting solution to this matter. However, we also call on the GFA to address the issue of such officiating safety and security amongst which trend undermine the integrity of the game. I say our call is not only Kotoko but the beacon of Ghana football heritage. Therefore, it is the need to ensure that the game is accorded with the seriousness it deserves at all stakeholders in the quest to push our football to the expected height. Sporting regards, IMC. Thank you. And now Kotoko social media and I do post here Jeff for my finding and the screen so 43rd minutes. The referee wants to be a celebrity. And now Kotoko social media guy and post here. Na just say person just say umudi referee ni person ojini din ojibibiti ya Kotoko and post here the referee person ojini din ti person sisi Kotoko and na GFA as charge Kotoko on that and the violence and the misbehavior of the fans. Interesting days ahead.